Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Rodriguez, Senior Product Manager for Leatherman Tool Group, and today I'll be walking you through the tools and features of the multi-purpose Skeletool CX. Every Skeletool we make is built to be slim, lightweight, and easy to carry in your pocket or bag. It's designed for someone who likes to carry a pocket knife, but wants the added functionality of a multi-tool. It's the perfect fit, a great knife blade, and all the essential features you want out of an EDC tool. The Skeletool CX comes in a variety of colors to match your style or gear for any activity. It has 7 tools, weighs 5 ounces, and measures 4 inches in length when closed, and is a little over a 1/4 inch thick. When you open the CX, you'll have access to the needle nose and regular pliers, along with regular and hardwire cutters. You'll also have access to the customizable bit driver. You can position the handles when using the bit driver depending on the task at hand. Each Skeletool is equipped with 2 double-ended bits for added functionality. To switch out the bits, locate the storage on the handle, push out the bit with your thumb. Next, release the bit from the driver by pressing on the lock and pulling out the bit. You can now install the new bit into the driver and store the old bit for safekeeping. As you close the Skeletool, you'll find a 154 cm straight knife blade. It's made from premium steel that holds an edge much longer than normal blade steels. To open the knife blade, rotate the blade until it locks into place. To unlock the knife blade, locate the liner lock, press down, and stow the blade back into the handle. The Skeletool is also equipped with a bottle opener, carabiner, and pocket clip for easy storage in your pocket. The Skeletool CX is backed with our 25-year warranty. For more information about the CX or any of our multi-purpose products, visit us at leatherman.com.